Very interesting angles question that we have on hand here from PSLE 2022. Mathematics paper. A rectangular piece of paper is folded at two corners as shown in the diagram below. The two shaded parts are identical. Important information here. Find the angle X. Alright, now to find angle X, it will be really helpful if you have this. And there's all these three angles. 1, 2, 3. If you have them, you can find X. By taking 360 minus these three angles, you can find X already. Now, since it's a folding question, what we do is we will put 90 degrees over here because you have a rectangle, right? So whatever you're folding is like a mirror image, it goes inside here as well. So if it's 90 there, over here also going to be 90. If it's 90 here, inside here also going to be 90 as well. So we are given this angle 73 degrees. So over here we fold it in 73 also, and since they're identical, this is also going to be 73. This one also going to be 73 degrees. Okay, so we have so many 73 degrees. And again, my friends, to find this X here, it will be useful to have this, which we already have, plus this bottom angle. Because then we can take 360 minus the 90, minus the 90, minus the bottom angle. So how to find this particular angle? How do you find this? Again, in angles, best advice is this. Just find whatever you can find. The more information, the more clues you have, the faster you can solve the question. So we're going to find this blue angle here, which is 180 minus 73 minus another 73 because you got angles on a straight line. 180 minus 73 minus 73, you will get 34 degrees over here. Likewise, over here is also gonna be 34 degrees. And then we can try and find this green angle here. How to find the green angle? 180 minus 34 minus 34. We'll get the green angle. 112 degrees. So to find angle X, that will be equals to 360 minus that angle we just found, minus 90 minus 90. Alright? 68 degrees, my friends, is the answer for this question.